Hi, this is everybody Coles and welcome to my Java tutorial. My aim is to make you a great programmer, so you won't need any experience programming as I will start from the scratch. My aim is to make you a great programmer, so you won't need any experience as I will start from scratch. So there's two main questions you may ask yourself: why learn Java and what is Java? Well, firstly, and to be honest, the main reason many people learn Java is because of the salary. In the USA, the median salary for a Java developer was $90,000. Now, what is Java? Well, what someone told me and what I'll tell you is that you can think of Java as a clean sheet of paper and you can draw wherever you want on that piece of paper, whether that be social media platforms, games, or any desktop app you have. So now that we have that out of the way, we need to install something called a JDK. Now what a JDK does is it translates the code that we are writing into something that our computers can understand, and so then they can actually run the code. So firstly, you want to just open your browser and then type in JDK download, and then you want to go on to this first link, click accept. Now you want to click Java 17, not Java 19, and the reason for this is that they will stop updating Java 19 when Java 20 comes out. However, they will carry on updating Java 17. Then go to your respective operating system. I'm going to click Windows, and then you want to click Time64 installer, and then you wait for it to be installed, and then just open the file. Now as you can see, I already have it downloaded. However, if you wouldn't, you would just go through the process. However, I'll just show you now. Just click next, install it where you want to, and now you just want to click close, and now we have that out of the way. So now we actually need something to run our code. Well, we could use something like Microsoft Word or maybe Notepad. However, it will be very hard to run the code, and then it will be very hard to diagnose the errors if there are any. So instead, we will use something called an IDE. Now, a good IDE is called Eclipse, and I'll show you how to install Eclipse. You just want to open your browser once more. Type in Eclipse download. Type in, click the first link. Then you want to click download. Then you want to click download. You can donate if you wish. Now just open the file. Now you want to click Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and then click install. So now you just have to click launch. Choose the workspace where you want. This will be where your files will be saved. Okay, so once you've opened Eclipse, you'll see something like this with the Project Explorer. If you don't, that's fine. Just click on Window, and then just click on Show View, and then just click on Project Explorer. And then you just want to click Create a Java Project. And then you want to choose your project name. I'm just going to choose Java Tutorial 1. And then you just want to click Next. And then you just want to click Finish. And then you'll see that we have a SRC folder, which is called a source folder. And inside of it, you just want to click on New. Then you want to click Class. And then you want to choose the name of your class. I'm just going to call it This can be something different to your file name if it doesn't have to be the same. And then you want to tick this box. I'll talk a little bit about what this means later. And then you want to click finish. Okay, so now you'll see a lot of weird words that you may not know. So I wouldn't worry about it because I'll explain what it means later in more detail. However, just for now, I'll talk you through what it means. So this public class Apple just means that this in these two brackets is considered the class Apple. So anything outside of these two will not be inside of the class Apple. Now, what this public static void main string arguments means is it's just saying that this is the main method, meaning whatever is inside of this method will be executed. This is just a tutorial on how to install Eclipse. However, later on, I will post more videos about Java starting straight from the basics. However, this is the first video and just on how to install Eclipse. However, I will teach you how to print stuff on the screen. So all you want to do is you want to write this command. Oops, spelled that. You want to type in with a capital S system.out.println, and then you want to use two brackets, and then you want to use a semicolon at the end. Now what the semicolon does is it's just telling Java that the statement has ended. And now remember, this has to be inside of the main method because everything inside of the main method will be executed and not stuff that's outside. Okay, so now if we want to print something to the screen, the first thing that every coder will print out, normally every coder will just print this out, is just something like hello world. And now if you want to run this code, you just have to click this button. And then you can see here, it prints out hello world. You can remove the spaces if you want. And then I'll print out hello world. Now, one quick thing is it's in two ellipses because it has to be inside of two ellipses as it's printing the literal string, meaning it will print out whatever inside of the ellipses. And it will print it out inside of the brackets. Anyways, this is just a start. I hope you continue to watch these videos. I will start from scratch. Our next video will be going on about variables. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure to like, and subscribe. Thank you.